The fly tarp has sagged and the tent has leaked. I unzip the flap and kneel in the rain pool that drains into a river, creating a lake under the foam mattress. I take off my 2 damp shirts to soak up the water, wring them out the flap, and repeat the process. I don't even bother messing around with the fire. The surest warmth around is pulled from the pack, a pair of clean but clammy jeans, turtleneck, and brown wool sweater. I put them on, crawl into the bag, so cold I cannot generate body heat, even wrapped around a cat. Every muscle I never even knew I had before hurts. I may work like a man, according to Jim, but I ache like a little girl.